Should I hold a shave and make the judge see me fresher than before in a youth?
Yeah, man, the SR boss I represent for Jamaican baddest channel. I mean, alone in all the dark room.
What such man there now? Yeah, that one away a boss. So that big face boy they know where all I know I pop but oh. He sang, I go far than Teejay sang. You see, who knows Jamaican? You know quick for sell out. You know love
Wagwan, my
sweet.
people. Bless up and welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we're there with a hot one. A hot one in the morning, yeah? We have to big up Father God. Thanks to God, so we have life, my people. You see Wagwan. Popcaan fresh up himself with a big bad court date today. My people, and we can done see, we have a little snippet of what really go on. You understand? And big up Star for that little snippet here as well, my people. So, my views on the whole Unruly Fest thing, because I was there, y'all can see I got all the videos. You can go back and watch it, my people. Big up on yourself for that. And as I said, people, I was there, and my personal views on this whole Unruly Fest thing is, yeah, we understand say some words was said. You understand some words was said by Popcaan, but yo, I feel like them for like loud. Them we shouldn't even reach at that stage. Yeah. We're in court and charges and all of them things there. You understand? Because if you look on the bigger picture, you understand? The bigger picture, big stage show keep, international artist was here. You understand? Not to mention the amount of people who come out the night, the amount of people who come make money the night. You understand? I was one of them people there. You see me? We go out because I work, me go work for make money. So, you understand? I'm going to get my recordings them and they did very well. You understand? The videos are there, my people, and you can go and watch back all of the performances. Them. So, my views on this is that them should just low that alone, you understand? Straight up. Low Popcaan alone. Because if no next year Popcaan keep Unruly Fest, that I going to put a big damp on the thing. You understand? And I mean, we're not going to be able to... Anybody who did make a money last year, them not going to make a money this year because it not keep. You get what I mean? And the whole heap of enjoyment, all of them things, they cut short. We don't rate that, my people. You understand? And let me know what you think about that down in the comment section, my people. As well as you can done see what go on. Teejay went live this morning, brawling. And Teejay take on Byron Messia, my people. You understand? Because Teejay wake up to some news for say... him are the new face of Dancehall, my people. When you can see that, you understand? So the boss just make everybody know, because you don't know, people used to always feel like say, you know, them always compare him and Byron Messia, and the boss not like that. So I have the video, my people. Stay tuned, pick up on yourself, Jamaican Chat. I'm out.
Them say poor man never sleeps so late, but me just awake. Yeah. Jado, just get a wonderful news say Teejay face is the new face of Dancehall. What a feeling, Rosie. Just wait, but there's a bottle of champagne to make us celebrate. Me killer them, listen to me. Other day, me say a thing, go. Hold on, me just awake, all my time, yeah. Hold on, wait. But wait, you want to see no matter about this? Wait, here I say. Zin, I have something for address. If I say where I go, I adjust. Adjust, me adjust something now. You know, other day, I say my job to remix and I say my own people them from Jamaica. I say, oh, as somebody know say such man song I go reach farther than fame. I say, oh no. I say, all I wanna believe in a Teejay career, big up on yourself. I say, all I will big up in a Teejay career, we need to have a drink. We don't need to text me, place them where we need to have a drink, celebrate this thing. And I say, all I want to believe in my career can stay out the door and watch, but big up on yourself, same way. I have something for go, no same way. Don't worry on yourself, because I'm a kind person, I'm a good-hearted person. See? So, you say, who don't believe in my career? We come from Jamaica, we are Jamaican. Big up on yourself, same way, man. They are watching and I laugh, man. What such man there now? Yeah, that one away a boss. So that big face boy there now where all I know I pop but oh. He sang, I go far than Teejay sang. You see, who knows Jamaican? You know quick for sell out. You know love sweet. Some of you love sweets. I'm watching all the while. That's why I'm in the business. I don't support some of you because I don't support we. Zin? But big up all our supporters them. You see me? Big up man thing. I'm just a laugh. I'm just a laugh, man. I'm just a laugh and I watch on a man. You see me? Big up man thing. Don't compare me with nobody.
Never you do that.
Never you would do that. UTC, I do this for a long time. Remember, good no man from up top boss. Trying to go around, me think, trying to go around, me think you would pay for learn, you would. From when I laugh with people, and then song they put where I road, you see me, I will never give up from them the time there. You see me? I'm soon come and compare with how much people, but guess what go on? We are the new face of dancehall same way, and we not stop represent dancehall. All of who we do dancehall, we love them same way. I love, I respect, I honor. You get me? I say to each and every individual who I do dancehall. I promise myself, say 2024, I go for say 2014 a while ago, you know? Yes, but I say 2024 is a year of wonderful music and is a year of making some money. Because the youth them are growing and the youth them are turn big man, so we have to know what we are do. We have to set some examples for them, you know. You see me I say? So, here we go on. I say for the new year, I'm not even going to compare myself in a dancehall to nobody. You get me? We just go do music, me G them. You get me I say? Yeah, we just go do music now, man. Big man thing. But compare me with any dancehall artist. Just don't compare me with a fat face, pig face boy. You get me I say? Yeah. And my album, my EP link for my EP, I drop next week. I will outside. I go do some promo. I do free promo. I do meet and greet. I do pop-up party. So if you feel like Teejay, if you come do some promo at your place, at your club, just text management. As me I say, big man thing. Yo, you don't know we're not responsible. You don't know we're not business. We just talk it truth. You see me? Yeah, man, I don't mix it with any dancehall artist, but you want them, we born and grow Jamaica and grow Jamaica. Don't mix it with no fat face, pig face boy. When I born and grow Jamaica and I do music from the heart for Jamaica. You get me? Some boy a culture vulture, some boy a wagonist. You get me? I say, big man thing, G. Yeah, man, go and big up on yourself, man. That is it.